Good morning folks, I am Himanshu Dusane and today we are continuing our lecture on coordinate geometry. Yesterday we have seen some of the numericals based on the distance formula. Today we are continuing with the topic section formula. So let's start. In the coordinate system, suppose we are given with the 3 points A, B and C. Coordinate of point A is x1, y1. Coordinate of point C is x2, y2. And coordinate of point B, which is lying in between anywhere of AC, is x, y. So this point B is intersecting the line joining AC in the two parts AB and BC. So let us suppose that the ratio in which the point B is intersecting the point AC is m1 ratio m2. So we have to find the coordinates of point B, x, y. It is given by the formula x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Similarly for y coordinate, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now we can see that these x and y are the coordinate of the midpoint, coordinates of the point which is lying between A and C. So x, y are the coordinates of point which is lying between A and B, or the external point A and B. M1 ratio M2 is ratio of bisection. Now let us see how we can solve the numerical based on this section formula. First, example number 6. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the point 4, -3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1. Question says that find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment. This is example number 6. We are having 2 points. Let us suppose A and B. Join these points. Here the coordinates of these points are 4, -3 and 8, 5. We have to identify the coordinates of the point x, y. This is point C, which is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio 3:1. 3:1. let us name this x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. So m1 by m2 is given 3 by 1. Applying the section formula, x is equal to m2 x1 plus m1 x2 upon m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, we will be getting x is equal to m2 is 1, x1 is 4 plus m1 is 3, x2 is 8 upon 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4 plus 3 4s are 4, 3 8s are 24, 3 plus 1 4, 40, 28 by 4. Simplifying this, so x is equal to 7. X is equal to 7. Now let us find for the y. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, m1 is 3 into y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 3. m1 m2 plus m2 is 3 plus 1 4. 3 5 is 15, minus into plus is minus 3, so this will be equal to 12 by 4, which is on simplifying 3. So y is equal to 3, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3, which means 7 comma 3 is the coordinate of the point C, which is bisecting the point line joining AB into 3:1. Now let us see the next question. Example number 7. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the point A minus 6, 10 and B 3, minus 8? Question number 7, example number 7. In what ratio does the point minus 4, 6 divides the line segment joining the point A minus 6, 10 and point B 3, minus 8? There is a line segment which is joining point A and B. One more point is there which is in between A and B. Point C minus 4, 6, and we have to identify the ratio M1 ratio M2. Now solving this question. By section formula, x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, x is minus, this is x comma y, which is the point which is between A and B. This is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Minus 4 is equal to m1 x2. x2 is 3 plus m2 x1 is minus 6 upon m1 plus m2. Taking this m1 plus m2 in the left hand side numerator, so this will be minus 4 m1 minus 4 m2 is equal to 3 m1 minus 6 m2. Now taking the m1 term at one side and m2 term in the next side, so this will be 3 m1 plus 4 m1 6 m2 minus 4 m2. Solving this, 6 m2 minus 4 m2 will be 2 m2 is equal to 3 m1 plus 4 m1 will be 7 m1. Taking the 7 in the denominator, 2 by 7 is equal to m1 by m2. So the point C is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio of 2:7. So in this manner we have to solve the problem. Now let us see example number 10. If the point A 6,1, B 8,2, C 9,4 and D P,3 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find the value of P. We are given with the 4 points which are the vertices of the parallelogram. This is example number 10. If the point A, let us make one parallelogram first. A, B, C, D. Coordinates of these points are 6,1, 8,2, 9,4 and P,3. Are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of P. We have to identify the value of P which is missing. Now first, joining the diagonals AC and BD. The intersecting point is named as O. So here the point O, which is lying at the midpoint of AC. Point of intersection of diagonal lies at midpoint of diagonal. That means for point O, suppose x comma y, are the coordinates for point O. Suppose x comma y are the coordinates, then for diagonal AC, point O is lying at the midpoint of AC. So the coordinate of point O, x is 6 plus 9 by 2. 6 plus 9 by 2. And for y-axis, 1 plus 4 by 2. 1 plus 4 by 2. How this is written? Because the point O is lying at the midpoint of the diagonal. So 6 plus 9 by 2 means at the center, and for similarly for the y-axis 1 plus 4 by 2. So this will be representing the x and y. Now taking the diagonal BD, O is also the midpoint of line AD. So the coordinates can be written in the form of 8 plus P by 2, comma 2 plus 3 by 2, 2 plus 3 by 2. So this is also the coordinate of O and this is also the coordinate of O. So these coordinates are equal. Equating these coordinates, 6 plus 9, 15 by 2, comma 1 plus 4, 5 by 2 is equal to coordinate of point O, x comma y, eight plus P by 2, 2 plus 3, 5 by 2. Now we can see that the y coordinate 5 by 2, 5 by 2 is equal. Similarly 15 by 2 and 8 plus P by 2 also be equal because this is the x coordinate. So 15 by 2 is equal to 8 plus P by 2. This 2 will get cancelled out with this 2. 8 will come in the left hand side. So P is equal to 15 minus 8. So this will be 7. P is equal to 7. So in this manner we have to use the section formulas and the following questions. Now let us see one more question from the exercise 7.2. Question number 2. This is exercise 7.2. Question number 2. Question says that find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment joining 4 comma minus 1. Suppose one point is there, A, 4 comma minus 1, and B minus 2 comma minus 3, and B minus 2 comma minus 3, joining these 2 points. Question is saying find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line. Trisection means this line is divided into 3 equal parts. This line is divided into 3 equal parts. Suppose one part is here, one part is here. Naming these parts C and D. Now naming this x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2, x3 comma y3, and x4 comma y4. So it is these points C and D dividing the line segment AB into 3 equal parts. So let the three equal parts be x, 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 x. Now first case 1. Case 1 is that point C is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio of 1x divided by 2x. Point C, omitting this point D, point C is dividing the line segment AB into the ratio of x by 2x. So M1 by M2 is equal to x by twice of x. X will get cancelled out with this, so this will be 1 by 2. Which case we are following? Point C divides AB in ratio x by 2x. Now applying the section formula for C. Section formula for C. C is in between of A and C, so x2 is equal to M1 x2, so x2 will be this, x4 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. Now substituting the values in this section formula, x2 we have to find out. M1 is 1, M2 is 2. 1 x4 is minus 2 plus M2 is 2 into x1 is 4 upon M1 plus M2 will be 1 plus 2. 1 into 2 will be minus 2 plus 2 into 4 will be 8 by 3. Minus 2 plus 8 will be 6 by 3, simplifying will be getting 2. So x2 is equal to 2. Now solving for the y-axis. y2 is equal to m1 y4 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now substituting the values, 1 into y4 is minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 upon 1 plus 2, which is equal to minus 3 minus 2 upon 3. y2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. So x2 is equal to 2 and y2 is equal to minus 5 by 3. x2 comma y2 is equal to 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So these are the coordinates of point C. This is case 1. Now we have to identify the coordinates of point D. Now this is case 2. In case 2, point D is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio of 2x is to 1. x. Point D is dividing the line segment AB into the ratio of 2x by x. So m1 by m2 will be 2x by x. X will get cancelled out with x, so this will be 2 by 1. What is case 2? Point D divides the line segment AB in the ratio of 2x ratio x. Now applying the section formula for point D. x3 is equal to m1 x4 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, m1 is 2, x4 is minus 2 plus m2 is 1 and x1 is 4 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 will be 2 plus 1. Solving this, we will be getting minus 4 plus 4 by 3. So it will be 0. Now for y3, m1 y4 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Substituting the values, we will be getting 2 minus 3 plus 1 into minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6 plus into minus 1 upon 3. So this will be minus 5 by minus of minus 7 by 3. So x3 is equal to 0 and y3 is equal to minus 7 by 3 are the coordinates of point D, which is dividing the line segment AB into the ratio of 2x by x. In this manner we have to find out the ratio. Now let us move to the question number 4. Question number 4 says that find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3 comma 10. There is one. This is question number 4. One point A, whose coordinates are minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8. Point B, 6 comma minus 8 is divided by x-axis. There is one more point C which is on x-axis. Find the coordinates of the point Question number 4 says that find the ratio in which the line segment joining the point minus 3 comma 10 and 6 comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. The point C is minus 1 comma 6. We have to identify the ratio M1 ratio M2. M1 ratio M2. Naming this X1 Y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. Now center point coordinate is equal to x2 is equal to m1 x3 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So x2 is minus 1 is equal to m1 we have to identify, x3 is 6 plus m2 we have to identify m2, x1 is minus 3 upon m1 plus m2. Taking this m1 plus m2 in the numerator, so this will be minus 1 into m1 plus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Multiplying this minus in the bracket, minus 1 in the bracket, we will be getting minus m1 minus m2 is equal to 6m1 minus 3m2. Taking the m1 term in the one side and m2 terms in the one side, so we will be getting 6m1 plus m1 is equal to 3m2 minus m2. 3m2 minus m2 will be 2m2 is equal to 6m1 plus m1 will be 7m1. Taking this 7 in the denominator, so 2 by 7 is equal to m1 by m2. So the required ratio is 2 by 7. Point C is dividing the line segment AB in the ratio of 2 by 7. I hope you got the idea how we can use the section formula for solving the question. Thank you.